Okay, back at Competition Engines. My name's Zoran, and today we are going to launch our new shifter or in-console shifter range. So, what this is, these kits that we're producing now, Chris Trimble, one of our in-house guys that does all our design and development and all that sort of stuff, has designed all this stuff. We've all inputted with ideas and so on, but he's the guy that manufactures this stuff. So what these are, they are a kit that you can put any of these shifters in your XY, XW style console. As you can see, that's a console. Even if your car was manual or automatic, or if you're converting from a column shift to a floor shift, you will purchase a console. And one of our shifters and one of our kits to fit the shifter in the console, and you'll be able to fit it to that console. Now, potentially you might have a shifter, so if you have a shifter, we're happy to sell you the kit and you can use your own shifter as long as it's, you need to tell us what shifter you have to suit the kit. So what happens here, before I explain what shifters we have or available, or kits available, this is just one I've dummied up. So if I remove this console carefully, we just got it sitting up here. This is a Aeroflow Attack gate shifter that's in there. These are the accessories that have been removed. So in your XY, XR, XT, whatever it may be, ZD, ZC Fairlane, ZA, ZB, all you need is this piece bolted to your floor. An original T-bar car has this anyway. If your car doesn't have this and you're about to do the conversion, you can buy this piece from us, or Rare Spares, or Grand Tour, or GT Shop, or Ford Muscle Pass, or whoever sells these, and then that's all you need to purchase this. Have a console, and we can sell you a shifter and every bolt and nut. This is just one little kit. They're all unique to each other, so every kit is slightly different. So all these shifters you see, the kits are slightly different. So you've got to specify which shifter you're using, and this is just a sort of a rundown of what you would get in the kit. All these are slightly different. All the plastic printed items are slightly different. The screws, it comes with a light, so you'll get a light. Spend a lot of time making sure the light's spot on, it's not too bright and so on. So literally, if you come over here, Ilya, this rear piece is your support at the back of a console. If the car has an original T-bar in it, you will have this in your vehicle to begin with. You can purchase it off us. That can get screwed or welded into the back of your floor. Then we have a front piece. Now you can use this or not use this. We highly recommend using this. So that, as you can see, is multiple screws, or you can weld it through those holes, is a support for the front of the console. So normally the front of the console is not well supported, this bit here. So this piece we have goes in here. It's the shape of the console, and that'll go in there. So we highly recommend you get this with the kit when we send it. I'm not sure.
Comes with the kit.
It comes with the kit, so Ilya's confirmed this comes with the kit. So you can use it, highly recommended, to put it to support the console, the rear and the front of the console. So I'll try and put this console back on without dropping it. So I'm just putting this console back on with a little thing supporting it at the back, hopefully, just to understand how all this works. There we go. So the console's back on. This particular kit, for example, there's a little button the shifter has here, so a little bit tedious to put on. So that'll all get bolted, as you saw prior to me removing it. Then I will put this on, so the screws, that will bolt onto the console. Your covers, in this case, this shifter here, which was Attack Gate, Aeroflow, these will bolt back on. Your light, everything's mounted underneath, and so on. So all the shifters are a little bit different, but the beauty about this, Chris Trimble, our design and manufacturer here, or the guy that designs all this stuff, you get this instruction sheet. So I'll just flick through it quickly. So this is an instruction sheet. As you can see, very detailed pictures. This is top-end stuff that is produced. and we will be selling these shifters. Ilya's going to post all this online, so you get this with it. Very detailed, as you can see. Is there another page? No. So that's it. That'll become with the kit. I'm pretty sure Ilya will put all this online when he posts and advertises and puts a link to these shifters, prices and so on. Now, the shifters will go from this one first that we talked about. So you can film that. So that's the range of shifters that we make these kits to suit. So the first one you see in that console is the Aeroflow attack gate. That also has these little items, that we've removed. Then we go over to the left. The second shifter is an Aeroflow bullet ratchet style shifter. So everyone's got a personal preference, a style, or they might have an existing shifter. The second one here is a Aeroflow bullet ratchet style shifter. The third one is a Aeroflow pistol ratchet. Fourth one's a B&M Pro ratchet. Then we have another B&M Magnum Grip Stealth Pro ratchet, it's called. The old school Quicksilver's the next one. And the last one is a TCI Diablo gate style shifter. So we're doing for 3-speed and 2-speed. So you got to state, or I'm sure when we advertise them for sale, it'll there'll be different part numbers for Power Glide 2-speed, 3-speed, and 4-speed. If we do a 4-speed, that is, we'll confirm that at a later date. So that's it. So that's those shifters, and I think we've covered most of the range and style. So I'm sure somebody would like one of these shifters. Everyone has a personal opinion, but one of these shifters should suit everybody, and that's it. So look out for it. We're going to post this video on Facebook, but then Ilya and Marco are going to make a more professional video. But this is just the beginning. We have got these kits now and they're ready to go. It saves a lot of time. We've done it over 20 years. Guys come in and want a shifter fitted in XY or whatever. It takes a whole day, 2 days, and it's all custom. And how much does it cost? Where in this case, your DIY guy or the workshop, your Kazakh can purchase this with instructions and fit it to the vehicle within, I'd say, an hour, because this, I'm pretty sure Ilya comes assembled, this whole kit. Correct. So all this will be assembled. All you got to do is bolt it to this panel, put your console in, couple hours, you've got a shifter. So yeah, that's just a guess. It might be 3 hours, I don't know. But it's a professional kit that, as you can see, the detail that goes into it, that lights up, it's legal and looks great. So that's our shifter. Competition Engines Performance Products. We'll be doing more of these videos. We have a lot of stuff Chris is designing that's nearly finished, and we'll be doing more of these videos. So thank you. We'll see you next time.